Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm excited to share with you a detailed tutorial on how to set up a custom UDP Hysteria server on the HTTP Injector VPN app. HTTP Injector is a powerful and professional VPN tool that allows you to browse the internet privately and securely, with multiple protocol and tunneling technologies built into one app. Step 1. To begin, we need to download the HTTP Injector VPN app onto your device. To do this, launch your device's App Store, whether it's the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type HTTP Injector and press Search. From the search results, you should see the HTTP Injector app listed. Tap on the app icon, and then tap the Install button to download and install the app on your device. Step 2. Once the app has been installed, go ahead and launch it. You'll be taken to the app's home screen, which displays various options and settings for the VPN. Step 3. To set up the Hysteria server, we need to go to the tunnel section of the HTTP Injector app. To do this, locate the arrowhead button on the right side of the screen and tap on it. This will open up the Tunnel Type menu where you can select the type of VPN tunnel you want to use. Step 4. From the Tunnel Type menu, tap on the Hysteria option. This will select Hysteria as the VPN protocol that you want to use. Once you've made your selection, tap the Save button to proceed. Step 5. Now that you've selected Hysteria as the tunnel type, you'll need to configure the Hysteria settings. To do this, go back to the home screen of the HTTP Injector app and tap on the hamburger icon, the 3 lines, in the top left corner. From the list of menus that appears, select Hysteria Settings to proceed. Step 6. In the Hysteria settings, you can either manually input the Hysteria UDP server information or import it from your clipboard. For this tutorial, we'll be using a Hysteria UDP server that I've provided a link for you to test. This link is given below. In the future, I'll create a video on how to create your own Hysteria UDP server as well. Step 7. Once you have the Hysteria UDP server link, copy it to your clipboard. Then, go back to the Hysteria settings in the HTTP Injector app and tap on the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. A new box will appear, and you should see a Paste button. Tap on the Paste button, and the server information will be automatically loaded into the app. Step 8. Now that the Hysteria UDP server is set up, you can either edit the server settings or leave them as the default. Once you're satisfied with the settings, go back to the main screen of the HTTP Injector app and tap the Start button. This will initiate the VPN connection, and within a matter of seconds, you should be connected to the Hysteria VPN. You can now enjoy secure and private browsing on your device. Conclusion. For more information on the HTTP Injector Hysteria default server settings, be sure to check out the video linked below. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.